This is Ronin 1 coming in. Copy you, command. Copy that. If you want to just send us the locations, we will take care of it. Copy that, command. Ronin 1 out. Hey, Spartan.
Yep.
Just got a call from command. We actually had a flight ops. But hey, one thing. You mind if I do some flying? I've been brushing up my quals and stuff, and you can try to teach me. Is that cool?
As long as you bring parachute for me.
What? I never said that about you. All right, I'm gonna throw some flight ops gear on, and then I'll be ready to go. You gonna wear that, John McClane?
Funny.
Okay. All right. See you in a bit. Whew. It's a great view out here. Oh, you're up there in your room. I'll meet you in the courtyard. Coming to the courtyard. Hey, aren't your head cold? I mean,
I ain't got time to be cold.
it's like freaking 40 degrees below down here.
I ain't got time to be cold.
So, anything I need to know in here, Spartan? Anything special? I see we got new rockets on this thing.
Yeah, these rockets will lock on, or you can free fire. There's an early warning defense system for SAM sites. Their own locations, I'll let you know.
Okay.
Fly as close as you can to the ground or above trees. Don't hit trees. Helicopters and trees don't go together.
We got some time. We can try and see if I can do some stunt flying or whatnot, and until we get there, yeah.
If you kill me, then please delete my server. My search history.
Ditto for me. All right, here we go. And taking off. Is certain altitude I should stay at? If we keeping it low, right?
Stay fairly low to the ground.
Copy that.
Yeah, when you're around the mountains, stay low enough to the ground so that if you need to get close to avoid the radars, you can. Do you reckon you want to go through a tunnel?
Not really. I don't know if my skills is that ready for a tunnel, but I can try underneath a bridge.
Remember, when you start moving forward, your tail's going to come up with your rotor blades. So you want to be lower than you actually are right now, standing still.
Copy.
See your back end lift up?
Yeah. And this is steep front end. Oh, more land than I thought it was. Hopefully the helicopter's not too damaged.
Tell you what, dip down in this valley because we might get close to some SAM sites.
Copy that. Going low.
We're approaching the target anyway. Do you see that lake, port side?
Copy that.
You want to be at those buildings just before?
At the buildings?
Yeah. The old engine factory. We've got to clear out this factory for HQ.
Copy that. I get a chance to test these new rockets, see how well they fire.
Land somewhere, let me get on the seat. Alright, let's go.
Ooh. I bet you wish you were wearing a helmet now, as cold as it is.
Alright, hold steady.
Hovering.
One mortar. 2 snipers.
Can
you fly?
I can fly, yes.
Do you see the 3 pipes?
Yes.
Going into the water. Can you fly the way they're going? I'm gonna jump onto that roof. Grab my parachute.
And then let me know when it's clear to the roof, so I'll start laying fire.
Alright. Swing port. Alright, I'm jumping.
Copy that.
Good luck, Chaos.
Good luck, Spartan.
Crash.
Don't die.
Not planning on dying today. I'll let you know about tomorrow.
I'm backing out west, so I can just start my strafing run when you're ready. You give me the...
I'll stay on the rooftops.
Copy that. I'll be focusing more on the road side of the building, of the base.
Chaos.
Spartan.
Confirms that time guard.
Copy that. Here we go.
Watch the rooftops.
Copy. These rockets suck. We need to talk about whoever installed them. Checking the area. I don't see no contacts below.
I can hear them inside.
Oh, correction. Contacts at the front gate. Contacts underneath the base as well.
I've got two enemies at the base of the crane.
Copy, one down.
Good shot.
Yeah, one into the middle of the base. He's down. Alright, car on the road, car on the road. I got contacts. I got a helicopter, Oh, they don't have locking capabilities. Oh, he's down.
Good hit, good hit.
Oh, firing. Is that you?
Again. I'm on the rooftop.
I'll be firing again.
I'm staying on the roof. Good hit. One more.
Miss. More contacts by the train side. Hit. Are we clear? Negative.
Green container base of the crane.
Copy. Hit. Another contact. Base of the crane. Hit. Oh no, heavy below.
Copy that. Do you want me to take him?
Take him. You're danger close.
Heavy down.
Fire underneath. I'm sending rockets.
That's a civilian.
Check fire. Yeah, contact inside the parking garage.
Right below me.
Yeah, right below you. I don't want to fire go. I might hit you.
I'll move. Go on.
Copy. Then fire in.
Right, I come down. I'm clearing the building.
Copy.
Danger close.
Oh, that was you? What side did you come down on?
No, I just moved into the building.
Okay.
I'm by the scale trucks.
Copy that. I'll remain air support till you say it's clear. Checking the perimeter. I'm still hearing possible contacts.
Is there an enemy on the north side of the building?
Checking.
I'm going back to the roof.
Yes, they're on the roof. Contact on the roof. Firing. Contact down. I got two contacts on the roof.
I'm on the roof now. I just come upstairs.
Okay, copy that. Is that you ducking? I see you. Eyes on. You took one contact down.
Yeah. I'm on the solar panel.
Copy. I'm landing. Is the area clear?
Not yet. I've got a few more. I'll guard the rooftops. You want to go inside?
Sure. Going below. Alright, I'm hearing gunfire.
Copy that, rooftop.
No, negative. It sounds like they're down below. I'm in the garage area. They're shooting at someone. Oh, they were.
Oh, they're on the rooftop shooting at me.
Oh, they are? Which one? The main building?
Yeah, I'm on the main building.
No, where are they at?
They're on the building of the generator.
Copy. I'm making my way up to the top. Did you already take him out?
I'm down.
Copy. Hang in there, Spartan. I'm on my way over to revive you.
Yeah, no, go to the east side of the building, the stairs.
Copy. Hang in there, Spartan 1. I'm on my way to... with a syringe. It's your name on it. Hear voices. Ah, shit. Helicopter's down. Helicopter's down. There you go. You good?
Number 1, baby.
Alright. Shit. The helicopter's down, but we still got objective to complete. Maybe we can do without the helicopter. I don't know. Find a car. Do some driving.
Take the main road north. Ooh. I have eyes on an armored vehicle.
Is it in the area, or do we have to walk there?
It's across the river.
Let's go. But, oh no! Ow. That's my knee. That's my knee.
Cool.
Ow.
You gotta walk like this now. Ow.
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 Ow. Ow. Ow.
Ow.
Don't sprint.
Ow.
Whatever you do.
Oh, don't take the rocks. Ow.
Ow. Ow. Ow. Ow. Ow. Ow. Ow. Ow.
Alright, I got eyes on the drone. You want me to go take it?
I got 2 contacts on my side, 1 on your side, near the rear. You see
All right.
the guy?
I'll take the guy out. I got the guy, and then I'll give the drone. You ready?
The police drone. The police drone's the last thing.
Yeah. You ready?
Or if I take the police drone, my 2 guys will take cover on my side.
Okay, I got my guy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Target down. Moving up.
Yep, we're good. We're clear. Bloody good work there, sir.
That was very good work. I'm gonna take. Oh, there's blood on the side of the truck. Damn it. All right, I'm in the gun. Oh, we have wolves down below us. And a murmur drone.
Should we shoot the walls out?
Yeah.
I can take that murmur drone coming towards us.
Good. I'm coming towards them. Take the drone out.
There's ACOG.
Take the drone.
Right now?
Yep.
Going down. Walls down.
Yep. Helicopter coming in. Helicopter in. Hey, maybe we can take his helicopter. Never mind.
Dead.
Guess not.
I've got more contacts southeast.
You want me to drive? You drive.
You can drive if you want.
Yep, contact.
This gun's badass.
Car on the road. Up, car on the road. They just. Oh. Never mind. You just flattened their tire literally like that. That was a
shot.
That was a great.
Hold on. Right, break.
Oh. You didn't tell me the car was coming up.
I mean,
Hold on, this thing's acting up. Hold on. I'm trying to. Hold on, I got some wires. Hold on. Oh no, I think the radiator might be a little busted. I don't know how much we have on this, but we'll give it a shot.
yeah, we've taken a couple of rounds to the hood.
Alright. This thing's acting up. The gears are like grinding. You hear it?
Yeah.
And oh fuck, the brakes just keep acting up. Alright, we're approaching the outpost. Hopefully we can get through this without this thing acting up. Alright, fuck it, I'm punching it. I'm dropping it in high gear. Hopefully we fly through this. Oh, there's another truck. Oh shit, convoy, don't you dare shoot at us. Our truck is almost down.
Go on, keep going. I got us.
Oh no. This is acting up. We got contacts on the road. There's a lot of them on the road. Jeez Louise, that party? What the fuck? They're having a party out there.
Swing it around. Let's get out. Fuck this thing.
Oh shit, contacts are coming, move forward.
Behind the vehicle.
Oh shit. Get out of the vehicle.
I'll focus on the enemies to the vehicles.
Oh, shit. Copy. Oh, I'm down. Oh, the truck's about to blow up. Right away from it. Leave my body.
Where are you?
I'm in front of the truck. I'm gonna die. Don't worry about me. Oh, actually, I survived. I'm good. I'm still good. I'm still in front of the truck. Grab me. Get me out of this way. It's hot. Oh my God, it's hot. Oh. Be my savior, Spartan. Be my savior. Oh, contacts on the road still. They're behind that other truck. Oh shit. This is much cooler. Thank you.
Fine, get up.
Copper.
Let's go.
Here, heal up yourself. I'll cover you. Hang up on this rock over here. Alright, next car showed up. We gotta jack them. Alright, let's take this one. There's guns on it.
Copy that. Let's go.
Same way?
North.
That was a bit hairy there. I thought we almost bit the dust back there.
I thought we did die.
Alright, we had contacts in front of us.
Copy that.
Shit, they're on our 6. Oh, we still got contacts on our 6?
Yeah. They're done.
Alright. We got more.
Shit.
My GPS marker is telling me this is possibly the area for our first of 2 locations. Alright.
Take point.
Yeah. They're stopping. They're checking out the fireball. I got the driver. Oh, whoa!
Shit.
Those cars are flying around the corner. Watch yourself. Oh, wow. Bunch of contacts down the road. Yeah, a bunch of contacts down the road.
Copy that. I'll shoot under the vehicle.
Cover up for this sound. Ezreal. Ah, you burned. Yes, you are. All right.
We got this.
Where they at? I'm up here at upper level. And they're coming in from behind me. Fuck.
Come down to the road.
Yep. Get on that gun.
Minigun.
I'm trying. I'm so trying. You probably gonna kill them all before I even get in the gun. All right, I'm in it now.
Where's the drone? There's one more drone somewhere.
Where? I hear it. It's up there.
There it is.
No, that wasn't it.
Alright, get that drone.
I'm looking for it. No eyes on it. I think it's behind the hill. It's smart. It's not coming around.
I'll go do it then.
All right, I'm hopping out. I'm moving up.
Oh, I know. You know what we can do.
We just bum rust a bitch. What's
Get
up?
back on that gun.
Okay. All right. All right. Keep going. That's one way of doing it. Oh, there it is. Oh, I can't see it. No, I really can't see it now. Oh shit. Ah, the car ran me over. Don't die.
That is very typical of me and you.
Mm-hmm.
Let's try that one more time. No, let's not try that again.
Reloading. I'm wounded. I can't shoot.
It's down.
What's...
kit.
Yeah, I need one. I'm bad. Not the Michael Jackson bad. Alright. We should probably move on to our objective. Stop,
Let's go.
stop playing around here. Oh, eyes on truck. Oh, heavy. Heavy's over at the truck. Bitch! Down.
Heavy's down.
Yep. More contacts coming from the road.
Contacts northeast somewhere.
Yep. Well, eyes on him. Up. They're coming from the hill. They're coming from the hill.
Up the hill.
Yeah. Reloading. Got him.
Enemies by the truck still.
Copy. That's it.
I got an idea.
Yeah. You got C4 on you? Oh, I got AT. I got AT. My turn. Watch out.
Well, we could use this truck, strapped to C4, kamikaze the other truck.
God damn you. I hate when you have good ideas.
Oh,
Nice.
good.
Very nice. Watch that fucker drop. Nice. Alright, let me know when you're clear. I'm ready. I'm in.
Seatbelt
Oh, no, we need to have it off because I got to bail out.
on and then
Okay,
take it off.
fine. Putting the seatbelt on. There, click. You happy? You're not going to get a ticket or anything.
Click. I was actually waiting for a click.
No, the other way.
Nothing to do with the vehicle strapped to C4.
Oh, yeah, and let it,
Road.
and let it roll down the hill. Watch out for the people! And the rocks is...
That was a sentinel and informer.
Hey, where you going, dude?
Around. I can't go through trees and shit. Chaos.
Yeah.
Get your detonator ready.
Copy, detonator ready. I'm gonna bail out right at that road. So, you gotta bail a little before, okay?
Okay.
You ready? Go. Let's do this. You have eyes on the truck? There it is.
Yep.
Alright, bailing. Alright, let me know when you're clear. It's not blowing!
Holy shit.
It didn't take out the second target.
Is it gonna blow up soon?
Oh, hold on, let it blow. Take the drone out. Heavy. Come on, blow truck, blow. Need you to blow truck. There we go. There it goes. Nice.
Anyone alive?
Yeah, heavy.
Fuck this motherfucker.
Command, this is Ronin 1. Targets destroyed. Say again. 2 targets destroyed. Several enemies KIA. Copy that, command. They said we can return home. But they want us to get us a shot of our kills real quick. So we can stand right here in the sun.
What the fuck is that?
Done.
What
What?
the fuck?
They still burn me.
Bullshit.
That was close.
You want to turn port? Turn to your port side.
Set. Whisper rolled off.
You'll park up there.
I can't get up. No, we already did it. I got it. Cover me, whenever I get started. I'm on the right side. Grenade out. Oh shit! Grenade backfired.
Move.